So, Dr. Quinn, who is the real boogeyman that we should all be worried about this Halloween?
Well, when you hear boogeyman, a lot of people think about Jason, Michael Myers. They think about Freddy Krueger, maybe the Blair Witch Project. But as a medical physician of 21 years, I can tell you who the true boogeyman is. And these are three main people. Number one, cardiovascular disease, boogeyman. Number two, various forms of cancer. And number three, right now, unfortunately, coronavirus. So these are the boogeyman that I wanted us to focus on today and just talk about it and just use the Halloween festive season as an opportunity to just remind everybody about these three very deadly boogeymen.
So, in reference to these boogeymans that you refer to, how can we prepare and possibly fight back?
Well, what I encourage everyone to do in preparation for these boogeymen are to be proactive. And being proactive, you can actually fight back. Cardiovascular disease. If you haven't seen your medical provider at least once a year at the minimum, or if you have hypertension, if you're not following up as suggested, that boogeyman, he can get you. Various forms of cancer. Talk to your medical provider about screenings and age-appropriate screenings that can identify cancer at an early stage. Some type of intervention can be employed, and your life can be saved. And lastly, the coronavirus. Get your booster vaccination. There's a new booster out. It's been modified to target the most prevalent strains of the virus that are circulating right now, and it is very effective. So if you follow these guidelines, you can fight the boogeyman, and this Halloween, you can be victorious.
There you go. Well, with Halloween coming up just next week, let's talk about what should parents consider when it comes to trick-or-treating.
Right. And this is so important because trick-or-treating can be a great experience for young people, but we have to remember safety. Number one, don't let children go trick-or-treating by themselves. Always have a chaperone, an adult with the children so you can make sure that they don't get lost or kidnapped. Also, make sure that all candy is inspected by the parents before the children are allowed to engage in it after they collect it the night of Halloween. And don't let them have it all at one time because they'll be up all night and they'll be jittery. But the most important thing is have a great time, remember safety, and just make sure you don't let your children go out without an adult.
Right, and have fun. Thanks so much, Dr. Quinn.